Hi, this is Manohar, and today I'm going to explain about what is the data science and what is the meaning of the data science and what is the impact of the data science and what are the main features of the data science, how it is going to drive our environment to the future estimations and how the world to be in the future and the future estimations as well as how to solve the business problems and the human environmental problems in the present scenarios. Now, let us look into the first one. What is the meaning of the data? A data is that everybody knows that a data is a collection of the raw facts. A data is the collection of the raw facts. That is a general layman language what we have know earlier. But data in my meaning is an infinity. Why means a data is doesn't have a proper definition as per the data science, as per my sense, as per my perception. Why means data has a huge impact on each and every environment, which will give a positive result or a negative result. The result may be favor or maybe unfavor. So the main basic knowledge of the data is the data is nothing but a collection of the raw facts, a collection of the raw facts, the collection of the raw facts. See, the data is the collection of the raw facts means which is doesn't have a processed manner which will be arranged in the irregular manner eventually when you collected the data from any other source. So the data may be in the different formats or it may be in the different forms. So the main content of the data is collected from the two sources. The first one a primary data as well as a secondary data. So the data is collected on two ways: the primary data and secondary data. A primary data is the data collecting at the first time or the data collected at first-handed information, which is known as a primary data. The primary data example is a survey methods. If you do any survey, any requirement survey of anything is as per the requirement of the government or as per the requirement of the some business requirement or customer satisfaction over the soft drinks, or it may be a survey of the feedback system of a particular product, or to the company want to analyze what is the customer perceiving about their newly launching product. Such things, the first time you are going to the market and you are surveying something and you are collecting something about some information which will give the some results to your business or which may be a feature driven solution to your new launching product. So not only survey method, we have a different methods, a survey method, observation method, as well as some interview method, some expert opinion method. That means the main core of this primary data is collecting the information the first time by you. It is not developed by anyone else earlier. That means you are framing yourself a format of collecting the questionnaire method or gather the data in a different forms, that is called a primary data. But the secondary data is already which is recorded, the previous recorded, or the data is collected from the past records which we have. Example, some previous records or some maybe websites, or maybe you are collecting from the internet, or it may be already some libraries. You are went to some libraries and you were reading some books already. There is written by some authors, whatever it may be. The data is recorded earlier. These are the secondary data example. The best example of this secondary data are the mythological, the books, the holy books, the like a Bhagavad Gita or some Ramayana. We have some data. If you want to analyze the behavior of a particular, how the human culture at the time of the ancient periods. So, if you want to analyze the present, the primary data, compulsory or mandatory, it's not mandatory, compulsory, you have to compare something with the past, then it will give a good result to the future. So the comparison of this primary data, the current data, what you have collected from the markets or from the environment, a particular environment, if you compare with the past records or from the past environmental history records, that is secondary data, which will give something. And if you're understanding something after analyzing, which you are going to interpret the results to your business problems or to your environmental problems or as per your requirement. This is the main impact and role of the data in the different sources, that is primary data as well as the secondary data. So the data is not only collection of the raw facts, but in my sense, data is having a infinite definition. We can do anything from this data. So the collection of the raw facts is the layman language earlier, but or it maybe have different meanings, but the data can be utilized into different ways to for future estimations to give as per your favorite result or it may be unfavorite result, whatever it may be. But this data can be I can combine with different perspectives or different applications. I can get something as per my requirement. I'm getting some integrated solutions. So now next video, I'm going to take about what is this data and how it is going to apply to different methodologies or scientific applications or some statistical analysis, and how you are going to analyze, how to filter the data, and how you are cleaning the data, and how to filter the required data only, and how to eliminate unnecessary data, and how you are going to present a representation through graphical representation like that in the future videos. Now this is about what is the meaning of the data in the data science. Thank you.